Hi guys, back in the garage, doing some more work on the car. Really not had as much time as I wanted to. There was a bad repair on the side of the car. It was probably about 5 to 6 mil of a difference between the body panel and it, basically a recessing in. So, you know, it was shit, to be perfectly honest. So, unfortunately, because I've not got a lot of time, I've not been setting the camera up. I'm trying to take videos and so forth. There'll be a lot of, we'll just say, a lot of problems that have been happening, and it's not going to plan. But what I've got is have a repair, basically cut out a piece, and I have made another basically piece to put in back into the car. So what I'll do is I'll go and show you what I've done. And then, yeah, we'll go on to the next bit. Alright, 2 secs. So this is the piece just at the back of the quarter panel. It was terrible. Obviously it's not too bad back here, round about. There's obviously been some bad repairs. Again, some filler work done in here. But what I've done is I have made a piece, I've cut it to size, and bingo! Even made the wee curve here. Just copied the opposite side, the opposite side of the car really. All I need to do is basically just make the wee lip that goes from there to there. Obviously I don't have the skill set to be able to have left that on. So what I'll do is I'll cut out a little slither, and then what I'll do is I'll just tack weld it on, yeah, hopefully that'll look the part, and then we can get that welded in. So that's the 2 pieces. This is the larger of the pieces. This is the one you've already seen. This is the second one, which is I've already cut. This is about 15 mil in depth, which kind of matches the area for the curve, and it should be going like that. So I'll just weld that up, and then it'll be a case of getting some primer onto it, front and back. Just obviously getting the edges away, and then getting it welded in. But what I'll do is I'll weld this piece in first before I even put it on, and then that means it's easier for me just to put it on and then just weld up the last of it. So guys, this is the piece that I showed you in the last video. I forgot to switch the camera on when I was doing the welding. It's alright, as I said, it is what it is. I've welded the back because it's going to be a kind of focal point in front, the top here. So I just keeps it nice and neat. Nice neat curve. So that's me got my piece for the back of the car. So let's go back to the car and we'll have a wee look. So, I'll just sit these down there for a second. So, and obviously I'll be welding that in, and then what I'll do is the edge is going to be obviously longer, but I'll trim that down to make it the right diameter, same as the rest of it. But I think that's not too bad. Not 100%. I mean, there'll be a wee bit extra welding and stuff to do, but I need to pull a wee dent out just in this edge as well, just to make sure that's totally straight. But I think that's not bad considering this is novice stuff, you know. This is me just being a total novice, never done anything like this before. So yeah, it's alright, eh?